Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include alloy wheels, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.